the only way to be picked up in the airport, dude. With the Raptor, already rocking the RZR sweater.
We wanted to roll with all the trailers, but we thought the security was not. My name is Jason Thurber. I've lived in Hawaii my whole life since I was 6 months old. My parents moved over here when I was a baby, so that's all I know. I used to have a Gen 1 RZR and long traveled it, and everyone had Terexes and Rhinos way back in the day, 10 years ago. The cars weren't as nearly as well built as they are now, and same with the aftermarket industry. So I learned my lessons kind of building cars back then to really do my research when it came time to shop around, and that's how I came across the UTV Wolfpack, was that they had adjustable parts and they were built tough. And their cages were built better than the rest, and they would make me a custom design for the race build I wanted.
I'm Travis Wayne. Behind me is my Wolfpack built RZR, which is a perfect combination of suspension and style. Jeremy and Jason at Wolfpack made it super easy to buy the right products for the people that they do business with. Jeremy even came out to Hawaii, hung out with the boys out here, went down to South Point, and had a blast. And to have a business owner come out and do that and make that connection with their customers, it really sets them apart from any other UTV company out there.
You guys ready?
Hey.
Oh, let's do it.
Rain never stopped nobody, huh?
Hey, it's gonna be sunny where we are, you watch.
Yeah.
Wait till the next vlog.
It's definitely gonna be sunny down there.
Yeah, hot and sunny.
Yeah.
Currently en route. We just left Hilo. We're headed to South Point, which is the furthest most point of the U.S. to go off-roading. We're going to be cruising around like some cliff areas where you can ride along the beaches and stuff like that. So pretty pumped. It's raining right now, but we're going to get into some areas that hopefully it's sunny.
Getting ready to rip some razors here. The one thing I really like about riding is that, you know, you get to hang with your buddies and make a good day out of it. You know, you work hard 5 days a week and you're just like, oh, I want to do something, release some of the stress. And, you know, we go riding.
Yeah.
So what? Oh, you're gonna jump on me? Put it right now.
Sure.
I was watching from a distance and I was like, wow, these guys are like really ripping it. Oh, there goes Jason. Oh, no, no. And then he just like saves it at the last minute. He was telling me at the very last second, he turned on four-wheel drive and just turned in and got it going again.
Yeah, so I'm already in the tourism industry, and we have lots of tourists coming through our business. And over here, it would be so easy to cross-pollinate. This 40 acres has been used for cane land in the past, and it used to be a natural Hawaiian forest. And so we have plans to reforest back to the natural Hawaiian hardwood trees that grow here that you can see around us right now that have naturally been trying to come back. And so we have ideas to do adventure Polaris tours on all the trail systems, combined with planting native Hawaiian species back into the environment. We're going to sell the reduce your carbon footprint so that you can come to Hawaii, fly here, do tours like RZR tours through the jungle, and also feel good because you're planting a tree and doing something back for the environment while you're here on your vacation. Yeah, so our farm is completely off-grid over here. We catch the water from the rain, and we have renewable energy, and we don't need anything from the outside. And we feel like a lot of people that are traveling aren't able to check out that lifestyle where they're living. They're bombarded with city life, and when they're taking vacations, not everybody wants to stay at the Hilton. And being able to stay somewhere where you have off-grid style cabins and tree houses, as well as like activities from RZR trail riding to getting to like do things that are better for the environment, like plant trees while you're here, go harvest your own eggs to make breakfast in your cabin. And so you're kind of giving people an opportunity to experience a different lifestyle, and as well as blend that with something like burning fuel and off-road, which isn't like tree hugging necessarily. So when you combine the vibes from a tree hugging type people to off-road enthusiasts, and you make it, it kind of blends together into something that is like sustainable, and people can feel good about doing it.
So the last couple of days have been amazing. I linked up with the Wolfpack boys that are over here in Hawaii, and they took me on an amazing ride, and they've been hosting me while I've been here. I'm actually staying on Jason's ranch right now. This place is just absolutely beautiful. He's got a track in his backyard. He's got, chickens he can get eggs from in the morning. He's completely, self-sufficient out here. He's got a forest that you can ride through with the RZR. For me, being an off-road guy from California, like this is a dream right here, to have a place like this and be able to, rip around in your own backyard and build a track. It's pretty amazing to be here and experience a little bit of the lifestyle that he lives. He's a very fortunate person and able to be able to have this lifestyle and this RZR life and be able to rip around. So we're stoked to be here, and I'm super pumped to get back and edit this footage and show you guys what we've done. How's that sound?
Sounds good. What are you doing?
Yeah. UTV Wolfpack Hawaii. You.